Today I am going to deliver a lecture on drugs containing glycosides, and we will discuss two drugs. First is the Gokru and second is mustard. So we start with the Gokru. Synonym: puncture wine. In Hindi we call it Chota Gokru. Biological source: it consists of dried ripe fruits of the plant Tribulus terrestris, belonging to family Zygophyllaceae. Geographical source: this plant is widely distributed in India, Sri Lanka, and Tibet. Macroscopic characters. Color: fruits are greenish to grey. Odor is odorless. Shape: fruits are globose in shape. Size: fruits are 1 to 1.5 centimeter in diameter. Chemical constituents of the drug. The fruits contain saponin glycosides, which on hydrolysis yields dioxagenin, ruscogenin, and zetogenin. The drug also contains traces of alkaloids, namely harmine and harma, camphorol, flavonoids, tribulosides, and their derivatives are also present in the fruits. The drug also contains resins, fixed oil, nitrates, and traces of essential oil. Uses: Gokru is widely used as diuretic. It is also used as demulcent, aphrodisiac, and tonic. Gokru is used in the Ayurveda in the treatment of kidney stones. It is also used in the preparations, in the widely famous preparations of Ayurvedic, like Chyawanprash and Dashamularishta. Now, there is another variety of Gokru called as Bada Gokru. Its biological source is the Bada Gokru consists of dried ripe fruits of Pedalium murex, belonging to family Pedaliaceae. This plant is widely found in Gujarat, Konkan, Delhi, Punjab, and Rajasthan. Bada Gokru is used as diuretic. It is also used in gonorrhea and dysuria. So this was the a little bit introduction of the Bada Gokru. Next drug is mustard. Synonym: black mustard, black mustard, brown mustard. In Hindi we call it as sarson. Biological source: black mustard is the dried ripe seeds of Brassica nigra, and the brown mustard is the dried ripe seeds of Brassica juncea, belonging to family Cruciferae. Cruciferae. Geographical source: mustard is cultivated in Europe, USA, and India. In India, the mustard is grown in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Delhi, Bengal, Punjab, Maharashtra, etc. Macroscopic characters. Color: black or dark brown. Odor: no odor, but if the seeds are crushed and moistened with water, it gives pungent odor. Taste is bitter. Shape: spherical or nearly spherical. Size it about 1 millimeter in diameter. Chemical constituents of the drug. Mustard seed contains 27% of the fixed oil, 29% of the proteins, and 0.7 to 1.3% of volatile oil. The seed contains isothiocyanate glycoside known as cinegreen, 4%. This cinegreen is also known as potassium myronate. Cinegreen on hydrolysis in the presence of enzyme myrosin yields allyl isothiocyanate. The volatile oil present in the seed contains 92% of this allyl isothiocyanate. This is a pale yellow or colorless liquid and has a pungent odor and bitter taste. Chemical test. The powdered drug, when treated with alkali, it gives bright yellow color. Uses. Externally, black mustard or mustard is used as rubefacient or counter-irritant, which produces relief from pain. Internally, it is widely used as condiment. It is in high doses, it is used as emetic. Thanks. Take care.